Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. In this video I'll be showing you guys two ways of realizing passion twists at home using kebab sticks. So I used 2 packets of X-pression braid color 1B. So you divide the hair into 2. Later on you take your kebab sticks. After arranging the hair, for the first method, you put the X-pression braid at the middle of the kebab sticks and you just have to twist the X-pression braid around the kebab sticks till you arrive at the end. Then you put a rubber band. If you don't put, it's going to unravel. Later you turn it, you go to the next section and you continue, you twist the X-pression braid around the kebab sticks and you still put a rubber band.
모든 것이 다 끝나고 나면 난 다시 사람이 되어 그래. Blow with my bro, spank me with ties. You read my mind. You read my mind. Break my bones and purple my eyes. You read my mind.
For the second method, you just have to put the X-pression braid on the kebab sticks, and this time around you'll be twisting the 2 sections or the 2 sides of the hair at the same time. Make sure you always put a rubber band at the end when you start. So you just twist, you put a rubber band. When you finish twisting, when you're almost at the end, you twist back going upward and you still put a rubber band at the end. So you have to have 2 rubber bands on each of the kebab sticks. Each kebab stick has to have 2 rubber bands at the 2 extremes or the hair will unravel. So once you're done now putting all the braids on the kebab sticks, you just put inside hot water for 1 minute and later on you allow it to dry overnight, and the next day you can now remove the X-pression braids from the kebab sticks and your passion twist is ready. But I'll always recommend you guys use the first method because that method is better than the second method. I did the back of the hair off camera, and this is how I section the hair. After parting the hair, I apply edge control so that the line will be clean, and I use the rubber band method. So I just part the hair and I put the rubber band on it. So this is basically how the hair was sectioned at the front. Even at the back is similar. So now I use 2 passion twists for each braid. So this is how I put the passion twist. Make sure you put the passion twist like this, one by the side and one on top. This will help for the rubber band not to show when you're twisting. So once I'm done, I now divide my hair into 2 and I apply edge control on the hair. Then I take 2, since there are 4 twists now, 4 passion twists, I take 2 passion twists for each side of the hair. And please make sure you twist your hair going to the left. If not, the passion twist won't be nice. If you twist going to the right, it won't come out perfect. So please twist the hair going to the left. Once I'm done, I just measure with the other, because this is like a bob type of style. I measure with the length of the others, then I use a scissors to cut the hair. And don't forget to put the rubber band at the end. If not, it will unravel. Once you cut the hair, you put a rubber band at the end of it.
You pulled my bruise, make me retires. You read my mind. You read my mind. Black my bones and purple my hands. You read my mind. Yeah, you read my mind. Drip, 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 drip on my waist that I keep. Begging and addicted, yeah, addicted, yeah. Drip, 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 drip on my waist that I keep. Begging and addicted, yeah, addicted, yeah. Pet me. 내게 부족한 걸 채워 줄 수 있는 거나 단지 너 단지 너 그대 나를 잘 알고 있어 그대더러운 나를 씻어 모든 것이 다 끝나고 나면 난 다시 사람이 되어 그래. Blow with my bros, spank me with ties. You read my mind. Break my bones and purple my eyes. You read my mind. Drip, 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 drip on my waist that I keep. Begging and addicted, yeah, addicted, yeah. Drip, 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 drip on my waist that I keep. Begging and addicted, yeah, addicted, yeah.
Use 2 passion twists for each braid, and when you've inserted the passion twist, you now divide your hair and you apply edge control on both sides. So you see me when I'm twisting by the right, you see that the twist is not coming out perfectly. It's not good. So don't twist going to the right. Use, I don't know how that finger is called, but twist going up, going to the left. Twist going to the left for the passion twist to come out perfectly well. Don't twist going to the done. So once I'm done with my passion twist, I just apply my hair mousse. I use the olive oil hair mousse. After that, I dry it, and later on I apply my hair growth oil, and your hair is ready. You're ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't, and like the video and comment. See you guys in my next video. Peace.
read my mind. You read my mind. Break my bones and purple my eyes. You read my mind.